Hi, I'm Sharon Birch. If you're a nurse coach, consultant, or healing arts entrepreneur who wants to attract more interest to your business, you're in the right place. It's very common to feel unsure about where to focus or how to talk about your business in a way that draws people in. Every nurse at the beginning of their business journey feels this way. But there is a step-by-step way to start gaining momentum quickly, even if you have limited time. So, uh, in this 8-week course, you'll refine your niche, learn what to say, and start seeing real responses from the people you want to serve, often in just a few weeks. You'll also learn how to grow your business in a license safe way while you earn 10 CE contact hours that are endorsed by the American Holistic Nurses Association, accepted for holistic nurse and nurse coach certification and recertification, and accepted for RN license renewal in all 50 states. And this course will help you make clear, confident decisions about investing wisely in your business moving forward. The course will start sometime in January, and enrollment will open about 2 weeks before the course starts. Group sizes are small. A maximum of 10 nurses will be in each coaching group. So each participant will receive plenty of personal support. By joining this waitlist, you'll get a first access to enroll before it's publicly announced, a chance at the early enrollment bonuses, and updates that will help you easily decide if this is a fit for you. There's no commitment. The wait list simply saves your place in line. And it only takes a moment. Just enter your name and email and answer two brief questions. Then, when enrollment starts, you'll be the first to know, with the option to join if timing is right for you. So I hope that you will join the wait list and be among the first to know when this course starts, course enrollment starts. I created this wait list because nurses deserve business education that includes the essential first steps that most business mentors do not teach. So if you want to start building real traction without overwhelm, I encourage you to join the wait list in this course now. Click the Join Waitlist button on this page and answer the two questions, and you'll be all set.